I think the most kind of original restaurant in New York City is not in Manhattan, but it's here in Brooklyn.
Olmsted is a fine dining restaurant, but we want to be accessible for everyone. Everything that we buy at the restaurant is from the same farmers and same producers and same fishermen from all the fine dining restaurants that I've worked at. And it's really expensive, and one way that we combat that is we dive further into those products. This is lobster. Basically, we take tapioca flour, lobster, and water, turn it into a dough, and we're gonna serve it as chip and dip, so we don't have to charge as much.
And it's literally farm to table, in that in the warmer months of the year, most all of the food that they use comes from their little farm in the backyard.
At any given point, we're growing everything from wheatgrass for our brunch menu to herbs in the wall for the cocktails. We have a farmer on staff, and he really tries to grow as much as we can to use for the menu.
It's tiny, it's cozy, it feels like a neighborhood joint.
At Olmsted, we have this like chef's counter. It was built by my father by barnwood from the house that I grew up in. Guests are right up in front of the kitchen. They even talk to the cooks, asking what they're making.
The menu's constantly changing and very seasonal, but some of my favorite things right now are DELICATA squash rings that look like everything bagels. They come hanging off a metal tree. Very cool. My friends love the Lobster Thermidor, which comes as a hot dip. Who doesn't love a hot dip? They have a new lamb dish with naan that's amazing. Everything they make is amazing. Just go with friends and just order some of everything and share, because it's all just crazy good.